In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section on Google Sites. If you want to make your site more helpful and easier to navigate, an FAQ page is a great addition. It gives visitors quick answers to common questions and keeps important information organized in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll create that section directly inside Google Sites using the built-in page and text tools. To get started, open your Google site so you're in the editing view. Make sure you're on the site where you want the FAQ section to appear. Once you're in the editor, look over to the panel on the right-hand side. This is where Google Sites gives you access to the main setup options for building and organizing your site. From that right side panel, click on Pages. This area controls the structure of your site and lets you add brand new pages. Since an FAQ section often works best as its own dedicated page, this is where you'll create it. Next, click the plus icon at the bottom of the Pages panel. This opens the option to add a new page. When the page name field appears, type in the name you want to use. In most cases, something simple and clear like FAQ or frequently asked questions works best because visitors will immediately understand what the page is for. After entering the page name, click Done. Google Sites will create the new page and add it to your site navigation. At this point, you've set up the structure for your FAQ section, and now you can start adding the actual content. Once the new page opens, go back to the right-hand panel and click Insert. This tab contains the content elements you can place onto the page, including text, images, buttons, and more. For an FAQ section, you'll usually start with text, so you can list each question clearly. Now, click Text Box and begin entering your question. This is where you can type the first FAQ item. Keep your questions short, specific, and easy for visitors to scan. You can create one text box for each question and then continue building out the rest of the page in the same format so everything stays neat and readable. As a quick tip, consistency makes a big difference on FAQ pages. Try to keep your wording, spacing, and layout uniform from one question to the next. That helps your page look more professional and makes it easier for users to find the answers they need. And that's how to add an FAQ section on Google Sites. Once your questions are in place, your site will be much more informative and user-friendly.